Hi guys, what's up? So in this video, I will gonna tell you about the latest deals on a Flipkart, which one is worth for buying you and any smartphone in your budget segment. So let's get started. My name is Nikhil and you're watching Technique. So I will show you the latest deal from the Flipkart. So let's check it out. So here is the deals of 2010 mobile phone at a great discount in the year. Shop now 2010 mobile phone at the 3rd to 5th January. So today is for January, you can still buy till of 5th January. The top picks in the New Year mobile sale is the MIA1. You can cost about 15,000, but now in a sale it is about only 30,000, 13,000. And a Redmi Note 4 which one is about a 10 and a 1 11,000. Moto G5 Plus which one is about 17,000. It comes in a range of 10,000. Moto की कुछ बात ही अलग है. And Samsung on next, it's about 17,900. Now in a deal it will about 11,900. Means there is a 6,000 discount. And best of 2017 in comes with the Lenovo K8 Plus with a 3GB RAM and 13 megapixel plus 5 megapixel rear camera. It have a discount of rupees 1,000 approximately. No, rupees 2,000 approximately. Means it comes to rupees 8,981. And Moto Sleep Plus with 16GB internal 4,000 mAh battery. It comes at the price of 6,000. Nice. Think so. And MI Mix 2 of 6GB RAM and 128GB internal. It comes with a 30,000. There is a lot of discount on MI Mix 2. If anyone want to buy to a bezel-less smartphone with a large display, then this one is for you. And an iPhone lover, if you are iPhone lover, then you will get a iPhone SE of 32GB at rupees 17,999. And Samsung Galaxy J3 Pro, it is at 6,999. And OPPO F3, if you are an OPPO lover, that is a selfie lover, then this phone is for you. The 19,990 phone is now only at 12,990. There is a huge discount on Flipkart. If you want to buy, you can buy. And there is also the verdict is out best smartphone of 2017. There is the best budget phone, best mid-range phone, and best flagship phone, and most good-looking phone. There is also a deal on an iPhone. Game is not working properly. And grab or gone. Redmi 5 at rupees 5,000. Oh, and Panasonic Eluga A3 at rupees 7,000. There is also top offers on iPhone 7. It only cost about 42,999. And Samsung On Max, which one is about 16,900. Now it's only at rupees 13,900. And Honor 6S, it will about 11,999. But now it is in rupees 9,999. Micromax Sparks Vdeo at rupees only 3,699. And Samsung Galaxy S7, which one is about 46,000. Now it only rupees 26,990. If you want to buy Samsung Galaxy S7, this one is also best phone, but it has come early. Not early. 2 years ago. I'm just kidding you. And MI Mix 2 is about 50,000. And there is a best deal on a Pixel 2, rupees 8,000 cashback on a HDFC CC EMI tax one. The phone is about rupees 61,000, but now in a deal it's awesome deal if you want to buy Pixel and its camera is what? I love this camera. Rupees 39,999. And Infinix Note 4, if you want to buy 3GB RAM, 4,300 mAh battery, 5.7 inch Full HD display, it will add to rupees 799. There is also exchange offer on OPPO F3 Plus, Vivo V7, Vivo V7 Plus and Honor 9i. If you want to buy, check that. I will give a link in the description below. And if you like this video, then give a thumbs up and comment down to this video if you want more video like this. And Samsung on next 16GB 3GB RAM 3300 mAh battery at rupees 9,999. and Infinix 05 Pro at rupees 16,999. Honor 8 Pro, Mi Mix 2, Apple iPhone 8 and Apple iPhone 6. This one is a premium phone if you want to buy. And pocket friendly phones like the Cholo Era, Saipi Lite, Panasonic P77 and iVooMe. And check all of this phone if you want to buy. There is also buyback guarantee, exchange offer, damage protection and extended warranty. Check this on Flipkart. I will give a link in the description below. Till that, sit back.